Dandelion is one of the most recognizable wild edible herbs around the world. It's considered a weed by many, but its roots, leaves and flowers are widely used in herbal medicine and cooking since ancient times. Let's discover why. What is dandelion? Dandelion, Taraxacum officinale, is a perennial flowering herb in the daisy family. The English name, dandelion, comes from the French, dent de lion, meaning lion tooth, due to the toothed margin of dandelion leaves. Dandelion grows just about anywhere, from mountains to the countryside, to city streets, regardless of the soil condition. Dandelion is easily recognized by its bright yellow flowers followed by fluffy seed heads, which we have all enjoyed it blowing in the air at least once in our life. What parts of dandelion are used? Almost the entire dandelion plant is edible, including roots, leaves and flowers, with different health benefits and uses. Let's discover each dandelion's part in detail. Dandelion leaves benefits and uses. An excellent source of vitamin A, vitamin K, calcium, iron and potassium. Act as a diuretic to increase the amount of urine. The bitter substances in the leaves promote the production of digestive enzymes and stimulate appetite. Can be added raw to salads, sandwiches and omelets. Boiled and eaten like spinach. Dried to make hot tea and infusions. Dandelion flowers benefits and uses. Contain high levels of antioxidants that help neutralize free radicals in our body. Flowers can be eaten raw, added to salads and desserts. Fried in the batter to make dandelion fritters. Sprinkle flower petals on baked goods. To make a soothing topical oil for dry and cracked skin. To obtain a natural yellow dye for yarn and fabric. Dandelion roots benefits and uses. The roots are used to improve digestion. May act as a mild laxative and liver detox. The roasted roots are ground and used to make a coffee alternative, which is said to be almost similar to coffee flavor. Dandelion, coffee, is actually a natural and caffeine-free tea with a mild stimulant effect on the body, specifically on the liver and kidneys. A note of caution: dandelions are considered safe for most people. However, if you are pregnant, nursing, taking other medications or have gallstones, consult your healthcare provider before using any part of the dandelion internally. Remember, never pick dandelions from roadsides, parks and areas sprayed with herbicides and pesticides, and make sure to wash all parts of the plant before ingesting. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the content I shared with you today. If you are curious about herbs and natural remedies, you can subscribe to my channel with green topics every week. Stay healthy and herby, and I will see you in the next video.